Hello, this is Jimmy with Janie Lawn and Property Care. Today I want to give you a quick how-to on how to replace this clutch on an FS90R. I'll go ahead and start it up and show you what it's doing. Go ahead and get to it and start taking it apart. You're going to need a quartz head 27. Got one bolt back here in the back. You got three right here. 1, 2, 3, and one on the bottom. And once you get the 4 bolts out, just pull your spark plug boot off. Let's cover a lift right out of here. Just set it to the side. Now you want to unhook your coil and your throttle cable. You just lift up on the throttle cable here and get the tension off of the rider there, and then you can take it out pretty easy. And you just lay that stuff aside, get it out of your way. Now the head's ready to come off. Alright, here's your clutch. I believe it's also a 27. Yeah. Might have to put the impact on it though. I got that one. Got that one broke. Anyway, you just set them up like this. They're, see how they're got a little bevel on them. There's an arrow here on the clutch, shows which direction it turns. It goes this way, so. Alright, time to assemble it back together and try it out. A little bit contrary. Alright, we're going to put the throttle cable back on. pull it back in. Blue wire goes farthest away from the harness here. Alright, let's start putting this thing back together. First off, you put your coil wires back on. The blue one is farther away from the wiring harness, and the black one's in the closer. And you put your throttle cable inside this little linkage holder. And just wrap it around. Lift up on the throttle linkage. Put the throttle cable down inside. Throttle cable, the plastic sleeve, set inside this holder. I don't know if you can see a picture of that or not. Alright, now we're time to put the cover back on. Run your spark plug boot wire up through. Cover should sit down in. There'll be three bolts. Alright, everything's tightened back up. Come put your spark plug boot back on. If you remember in the first part of the video when I started up, as I was cranking on it, the head would spin. Let's see if we fixed it. Sitting there idling, head's not spinning. Yeah, needs adjusted, but let's try it again. Anyway, here's the old clutch. A guy told me one time, he said they never go bad, but this just proved that spring, it was bad. It wasn't working like it should. It stayed engaged all the time. Toss that one in the trash, and we're back in business. Well, we just put a new clutch on this FS90. I want to bring it down here by the road and weed this ditch and see how it does. Well, I think the clutch fixed this thing. It's doing a lot better. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you.